obi enfi
me na me ka kire o ntino e wo ha na minya chance na drip machine no e ba me mpasua no so amakotwa so kakra udu obo se machine si wo kwanum sa na hospital kakra ka we na sabi ka fa che e kwan e ko ho no na e ba akopɛ hospital kakra ka we ufi Madina na oba ko nwa for run about so the traffic in so don't say wo ho pa ansa na wa ba besia sa twema abu afamu ayeden e de akɔ hospital no wo akiri ho no enti no design am design hospital no in fact the road system ni de o ma nye ni afen so ufi Ashoma Estate na oba udu food yada quite that left ho no a just 2 minutes for no do hospital ho no me yi trust is here ure ba ho eye kwan a chese
me ba to say ekwan no wa send ma producer na o fan to screen
na me dia ma no
sure
enya kura ha wo enso so ukọ ayi achimota ukọ Amasaman
yeah
Madina hospital soon Ga East Municipal Hospital.
Ga East Municipal Hospital.
Yes. Omo refer nkofu fi achimota.
Eba ho. Na mum ekwan na ede nim wo kakra no. Ye de ama contract. Contractor na say a friend Oxworld. Contractor no say onye ho adwuma. Then I was aban mu mpanyifo ye.
You know, I hope said yes no. Ebema mpanyifo atwa omani aba behwe. Na MP mpo na isu say no. Na assemblyman. people in this see na assemblyman hard dream ya o mo say yen complaining he yen complaining fanfa empanyifo besa o mo yare wo ho aban empanyifo besa o mo yare wo o mo so mo ba esan say o mo car ne yenti no ho no o mo do mo fili papa o mo do ho mo fili kwani nyo se o kita viet crowd fili kwani nye kwani no che say aye ebon na edida anti no de bio me how no say until this stage. We shouldn't have gotten to this stage. This stage, we shouldn't have gotten to the stage. Because we have say the contractor, Emma contractor, there are laws governing a contract na the amano. Say contractor, no more the contract. No more say a Juma Mudiamano no nya, terminate the contract, give it to a different person. Simple. Now we say a prof. Yeah. Kwan na da ho no no sabi ka fa che enya kwan bi a ye tra ho 3 days 4 days wa loko nti no se we crampo na yantimi anya na ehini betimi ayi bi enya no kwan oba estate yeah who can say ye terminate contract nti na make kasa yeah ayi ko make a choice area na nyina mu da ma contract na for fence wo ni bibubu nipa no so de wu ye nipa na wu no kwan no so wu onko so bi mu be se 5 years ni on si hobio na kokohwe nsuo to akohwe se na mega choice ontimi ntwam prof ontimi ntwam kokohwe to school fo e wo ho school kolan kitinkitinkitinkiti na nsuo to a na awofo ni nyina obi akwakofa ne ba ne dade kon ho na odi nam nsuo no mu e ho no mu saa contractor no so bi saa ye se ye de ama contractor no so wa hin so a uhwe no unhu no ukwa Pentecost Central Ashoma Estate also same thing. Na bibisa say o man no ye kwayana ye baaye. One necessary assemblyman kwa report to. Ube trolete, ube ya. Omo si kwan no ye de ama contract. Ti say de ama contractor. Na president anamon senior owo ho. MC, you know. Then all can find because I was so very accountable. Yes, the MC there in fact obon humode. Obono humode na mo kwan na ba sa sa. Domi kwabenya so no say rural. Rural area. Domi kwabenya rural area. Yes. Because uhia mentiase. Sa na obeka no but uhia. Ukogina boko people so na uhia. Ubisa won say ntino yen no kwan papa no ye tibia na. Domi kwabenya. Yes. Share St. John's to Brekuso road and da kwabenya middle. Me pa jo hu ni say. Sa kwan we see. E wo say prof betra machine echi na uka ansa na kwan no ma ye dia ma Domi kwabenya fo ana. There be. From pure water to Ashoma Estate, Catholic church a hormone. Tipa grant me for a hormone. And who be here, prof, who better Hanumaka, and Sana Bayan who said, or how say the Ohana. Now, MPs are back or and idiot on Motisri. And to normal parties say a quina enye ewo domi kwabinya no wo mu hu ya la
me onimneta me sheda MPs no bebre no ma me chiro ona bo sara adwasafo former MP do
sure
ordinana do dan kwakufu ado e fa sa kwan no eso se odi kire ne se
sei na kwan na tie
tibia etie hwitiriti samoko madam Melikrim so aba na no kwada menene kokati sort e wo sa kwan no so ho no ono so no mo sisi hu se ya kwan a nsu e fa ho no ma yemienu pe eye drainage a ombe ye na yemienu pe o mo sisi so edin kitikiti se ya yo bo na no so akọ end
eno no shortcut na mo ko na shortcut be
say sa road na da ho no anu na kire se
contractor na ba be
enso nante o nante no ti sa ti de nante
one say in this country me de biara da no me de make me no crow me without fear of favor I'll say the truth me kind of cray because omre a yetimu sisia no yen suban enye
enye na
it's not make come me say yen suban nye yen nyina yen suban nye you say abofra boni eno nyini a obeye panyin boni abofra boni eno nyini a no obeye panyin boni enti say ewo mmofra bremu no say wanya entitiri a esefata se bi mpredua say wonyini a obeye panyin boni
eno krepa na aka
yetimi de djuma se obi nsa nipa ne ntwa han emfa no ho de nipa ne dwen ho no say ni kotokum ebeyema. Sometimes our leaders also uye contractor upe ejuma ye de ejuma hye wonsa ejuma no unim say ejuma na ye de hye wonsa bia uni hu akade enso oboko pre ejuma no waje na o de atan ni ase
ukotwi na ukotwi ni pipe bi na yi bi so kakra bi a no wadwa say adenti na wo yes ejuma no na kwan no enye wo na ye ono na age omo titi yen prof
because domi kwa benya I know say for the past 8 years nkasa no me hunu say a NPP dominated area.
Yes.
And I would not be surprised say the lack of development about domi kwa benya no the same thing amount for this time around obosisa o madwen
enokre
de me kana ye nokre
enokre
ka ho pa
enokre na minim se na mami abegina ho ye be fi se bia wagu ne ho anim ase ba me susu me fa ne se me fi ogina ya ode ye no e na ambo because our platform no a obetimi ni road minister akasa dan se obegina
no so to
enu kwani ade a
yeah that is the problem I have
me ka assemblyman bi na gina nanim e na ko appeal sa ade a ka nye news mame na se bi o me gina ho ya me assemblyman na me MP aye say ya na that means esoro ho nye
so one with the angle assemblyman no so efa asam no e dey
esoro ho nye
ono so ka se esoro ho nye o se wo ka se esoro ho nye ase kiresen me dey anam pemfifimo
e bia na wo pushi wo hono mu a emfa so won say na city no
until why frustrated
yes until no baby obedru no okodu ya so no na asifo no na eni kasa ayo na the way
you feel that this is part of her frustration right
akwadi say amen wakwa unzo kan o se wako ho saa wako saa munye fama no o this no to do atu yi say o ka bi ma no me bo a o be ka bi ma no obi su be ye de e be ka bi ma ba enye the right
ba
enye the right
me no me politicians won politicians they are full of gimmicks and nada
yati
for the optics ya capture my optics obi am say MP we di odwe ho hwese wakokoto but that is not the work. The work is that there are procedures and channels you have to follow as an MP to address some of these issues.
Yes. Ofa, enye easy.
I tell you say no den na mo pese aban ye mamo.
Sisi idea. Anya ba wi. O how are you mu no? Enu na dash screen anim no. Say aban entu nani emehwe East Hospital road. Enye no nko a. Ye wo road nkitikiti a twa hospital no ho ye den ehia because omo wo Ashoma State Bank of Ghana area omo ba omo ma mefa market ne ho no emfa ma mewuram
sure
omo be yusu ehọ kwan no a enye no na no susu no ehọ betime the best 10 to 15 minutes ansana wa ba be do hospital ti yesre no yesra ban na yasre road minister nso so se omo modian na sa kwan na nimu yi ade onye mfa ma ye onye mfa ma the whole Ghana enye domi kwa benya man pe because ebi fi amasaman ebi fi achimota ebi susu fi Madina na eden omo de ambulance na eden eba etini de ebesre road minister say omwa na yenye sa patam kwan no a twa hospital no hwahia no omo nye fama ye afi de toso susu no ye nama road
okay
kanena mu fro obose omu ye bridge na ewo ho no ma ye di ba no omu so omu hu ye hapa omu ye di ba omu di ba no ye sreka ni mu ya no omu nye hospital dia no so ka ho na afi die ye hu se bi ye nya MP ewo abonti se mebu nkotodwe a enya assemblyman na obepa cha osi se etimi ye sa na ma no fi won mo
because achopa na opa ye ne de na chese waka empanyifo mfi
ti se de mamba wani mu ma ba wani mu aba enye yi ene ode ko wi wo fom ho no
o se den
say ma ba wani mu
debi ase MP wakọ
empanyifo ni mu wa bre
MP no wakọ empanyifo nanimu a wabre
enu no de akogu bu ntwere wo ho no ase school ni akola bi a wa ye boni na wa bu ntwere we efe
ama sama broni mama akwaba ama sama broni obetumi atanase ama me na ka be boa me pa ama sama broni ama sama ai atanase bato atanase ama sama broni ye ka ga is asem hospital na asem ena ama sama na wanga sana ama sama na ate sa ho fall under ga west me boa na mo hono mo kwan ne de
kwan asen ya kwan
mo roads mo kwan
oh there be say there are still some roads I was say
maybe some kwan generally no ga west what it is saying
oh it's a large part of the constituency
in
the municipality no yeah
omaye
but
still money problem
there be say still there be make us any problem there was problem oko around I can't do bro ediko kwashikuma yansana okushibia de pie then from obey yehudi bar to ubeba bedru sam Malcolm bia almost see before 3 junction yes 3 junction ko oma be Malcolm sa road ni na enye but contractor me kai say ye di ohoya award the contract but one of the things so ohoya face challenge ni say roads ni bi wo ho a ya but to ko faso a you'll be surprised say a catcher was a road or Mayada. You wouldn't believe it. There's one of the roads
Omaye
Eko Kwashikumano. No contractor no crowd was site. Or your road, no road ni say.
Or your road, no road.
Or your road, no road ni say. Or site.
Or site.
Oh yes.
That a year man no.
Oh, that was like I think somewhere 2023 there.
2023.
Yeah, there.
Contractor ni ye kwan no.
Yeah, all what kwan so.
Ye no.
Ya kwan no kwan ni say dinach.
Oh Jesus. Oh.
So you see, Ghana your problem. Okay, Pokwasi, Saudi Pokwasi. Either Saudi fought through township, no.
My side on Anna.
Say Udi call either Myra Bensu side or na Udu Pokwasi radio march side or as if Saudi call Catapult. This second chance area. Those places all no. Oma kotali da o. Bako hoko she.
Well, sir, our contractors wrong. I don't know, some of them. Yeah, quiet to me say quiet they are shoddy. Very shoddy. Very shoddy.
Because contractor all year from Odumasi to 3 Junction.
Yeah.
Minim said all year but ohodie utumu say elastic so what for
ache.
Yeah, ache. Sa road dey ache.
But ebi mu die. Is it because of the 10% allegedly? Yes, you mutuama mpenyimfo bi mu ana.
Well, I can't speak to.
I won't mean speak it to it.
But all.
But what is 10%? No.
Minty.
Won't it? Hey, Yama Sama Bruni.
Amasama Bruni.
10%. That's inside. Ejuma 10%. Ana.
Amasama Bruni.
O mami tia se bia o ye.
Baby, yeah, unti asia wo de.
Na wa kwaji mo.
Baby, unti da.
Na but what be say me question.
Baby, unti asia da.
Minim say 10% ejuma.
Yo.
Utimi ye, udu 10% na wa kwaji mobilize.
Me da say.
But ye 10%.
Wo de Patrick, ya na na say. Oh, ya da was you crave from him. Patrick, so microphone no mama why. Wo de da na say. Amasama Bruni say unti da. Because Amasama Bruni on this particular network were accusing even this government of 10%. And now you are telling me, oh, I'll fetch it. Oh, them lawyers. Ude mamusha mo court. Ude me de share court. So I want our evidence. Mamini mini assemblyman. There be say me ude assembly na where it is and komo bi na me pay free o.
Bagan if the one mama can be o. Because you are free am asem mo.
Sir.
Yeah.
Now then person kafa guys.
Ganoff.
Ni na ka Ganoff Gan is ni na free your friend say am asema. That's Gan West.
Okay.
Yeah, we've given birth to a lot of municipalities. So if I can speak to it, can I?
Yeah, you can speak to it.
Enra me hu MP no video.
Yeah.
Oh bono. And it should clearly tell say ejuma no so. Ejuma no so. We start concede.
We start here then.
Oh, concede.
Or concede then.
Or concede say ejuma no ebro ne so.
Oh, so na usu hunu.
Oh yeah. And this same MP. The president we a state of the nation. And also call here soka. President here sona. And only a soka. State of the constituency is affairs or something like that. And today no address here. Who is state of the nation? Who nim challenges our constituency? And who replicating the president. In fact, I stand to be correct, but I'm not the first person I might say a replicate of a friend says son and Wakoyebi. For you to be able to do Marabia and Shao say koye. So Ubeyano Minjin is a challenge is akachre.
No, but if you follow the conversation in some more kind idea, this was part of her the state of the Dominican affairs, you know. What the two and she even made mention of the fact say as some way what they are two road minister in Mukrada.
So publicly said or give it out away the road minister. As if said the road minister expressing unconcerned. That's sure. Look at road minister or Becca be actual. Maybe an arbitrary next budget capture. Sure. I know the one.
No, and there is even a contractor on the road. His name was mentioned in the video. Oswald
or something
like
that. Yes.
On Edudu Aquino.
Okay.
But you see, sometimes where Prof, one of the things that it missing is contractors need to be they are overwhelmed with contracts. It's like he tries to monopolize road construction. There are few contractors.
You don't think so? Contractors in the country are very limited. That's the reason why.
Oh, me to me more contractor be the contractor be a minimum. And our resources are some of these contractors say are limited compared to even some of these foreign companies. They don't put in their full investment when it comes to road construction. So, I'm a summer client say a cofaso, Prof. Ebe young one say, whether really say construction air cost was our road now. What me now, no one come home. Omo caterpillars and our friend is saying. It's that excavator. A major construction like that, and Prof, me tell my meaning, is it Tesek, ni Kasajam, Muni Sanya Manyaman, or Muya Roda, not Uchema, Uhu Casa, a movie, Uhu excavators, Juma, Uhu laborers on one site.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can count over 100 to 200 people on Muya.
Yeah.
But currently, a major road like Amasama to Nsawan side, you know. Among from Muya on that major road, Prof, you can count them on your fingertips. That is a major road that connecting 9 regions.
Okay, but mini assembly because time Amasama Bruni, I'll come back to you on this particular subject. But many honorable Michael or say Napi enche Jawa Marco Ashoman Estate. Say a horse come home.
Yeah,
because Ashoman Estate me baho de me can bawa. Yeah, me say me be do ya na me shock absorbers na Patrick na say. Maybe do you know me shock absorbers in answer.
sanity the odi wani hu ni de no na me fa akwanya so na me so mastre because mo station ye kwachiri yi pa
good
na aban mu panyifo tie pa
sure
na mastre road minister se omomodiana akwan tintia na wo electoral area na se municipality ni mu no omonhwe no mo tackle no mo ye den omutimi nya because enya akwan ewa short omonhwe no mo moa na yenya na mfiri ho no na animguase ne ba e kan mo nso ene amami abunkotodwe afi na oba akọfa fun no ahwe so mi why maami aba wanim se boa me wo aha awantimi amoa no ene waje nanim guase ye nyina na yanim guase ye nhwe ne de se oman bapa se oye na oman no ho to no bomodian na nso hwe na waye den waye me fa akonya so achia me resident association omu nyina ne juma pa omuye in fact enye omu a na me hwe senka mpanyifo betimi ade akwa dwedwim se obi pese onu ankasa ede ne pe eye road a ke betimi emra bia akono ankasa betimi aye no waye amana ye kama because uhwe because of say obi oska opese eye road na so gise kofa assembly no na assembly wo diska no koma assembly na ansana omo baba beye no enu na ma oman ne ye be kakra no
I don't have enough knowledge on this. Actually, I research into it.
Mo na diabetes
na
wati mi
speak
because mo nkofo ho no ma mo pese omo do o ma ho odin eye but agise okodan assembly no omo susu omo sise ya assembly no edi adwuma enti no o tietie no a o si kire mensin na me fa misika nya den enkonkoto ho enti no we de meda wase bo na adwuma di a wa ma yesusu ya be chichiri mu wa.
All right, Honorable Michael Osei Nafi yebeda wase we assemblyman ama Taifa I a part of Guy East yebeda wase pass over but yebesere pa ye twan ho abasisi a
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello papa, what do bad to be a new? Se me feel London, echo US. Na no crowd who cry from me mania. Na papa mo what to say? Awurade aduma haboko. Na ko jejesi, echo bosim penemo. Dia woton adansi ho niam no so. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Echo ba, mesi wo boduma krasre kane no a. Na wo do US won so manfo bondin sa na. Hey papa, US hakura de. Na ko jejesi company limited agiba bia. Wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adensi ho niam dia. Obia se na ko jejesi company limited. Na matese wo bie depo kesie bi e wo kasoa. E ho na wo bia koto adensi ho niam. Na eye no kura papa. Oh, eye no kura pa. A police station in Chenhua. Hey, a kuoba sempre monono. Onye mereda. She, we kurano mi ensemua and we be en fufro yawo. Baku obua kwase pass kumasi. And baku so pokua se nkran ha. Obia se na na kodwogesi eye bemaba. E wa dansi mu. Waton cement, iron rods, banding wires. And na dua plywood and just say the board dance ro. Te se bibia e de she e dance ase de ko wie. Depo no nyina nso eye tufo bo. Wo du kuka mu a, wo ko ja free. Akra we Kaswa depo any pokrasi de no kra to nchen a wasa wo bu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City amanfrom wasa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nchen a ebisu magazine road head office no wo bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwisu Akra road Femeswa opposite Alaji Celia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrum. Numbers of man for the fray 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93. Nana Kujesi Company Limited. Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us SOMPA First Service. Ewo homayen enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bra onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
SOMPA First Service entwa wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda nyina share radensa na erade beye.
Emra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag yi.
Bra, aden, ena nso biem.
Hey, time heba me hwa ya me ka se yi ba kwin. Ani wayi me ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hwa esi agye me ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hwa me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enunku o, de na num oto a wontimi ani die no. Time heba mixture duro no ena ye ma o. Oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada nofo. Ene akwada a woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab ame yehu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa. Se o petam heba mixture enu dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop dodo na emu.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo, set time no TIME. Time heba mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu be tuako.
FDA aji ejodi enkra tuyi atu.
Ajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese word na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Ajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes wo apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi yenye ni bisa dabi Ajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Ajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Ajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63599921 024 63599921 and answer 059 479 7215 059 479 7215 for na with them 21st clinic sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye no wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a gi 21st clinic nkoa wo mu di bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magye din wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert. Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, you're hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky. Dokuno noa. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more to dokuno wa mountain so. And no more to etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuno serve wa wo ho. Wo de frey. Na ye customizing amount. Se the wusi penny bia. Protein opese ye de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obienim say, just hot kinky. And noa. And ye disable ya wo. Just bakery, Ewodome, commercial bank in Chenwa. And to fraying, and was 025 60688832. Na yen customize your orders in the mount. Never sebo wo say the wusi pen pepe. Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And ye hot.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, ne SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Sakikwambo
Onyankopɔn di fa wasra no ewiye brim enam ne nsa so ama Onyankopɔn we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you some perfect service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro Onyankopɔn kasa kyerɛ ne mba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Some perfect service entwa wo ho hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda no nyina share radens na erade beye.
Abuja for Yabako Swamabakwa Baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Exactly 7 after 4. Wherever you are, remember, we want you to be a part of the show. We are live on Facebook. SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. I'm in Kyle Bios. What the time is due? 5:10. Yeah, baby, phone lines not to now. What they were drinking, boy, you may know. But I'm in Kyle Bios. 21st clinic, a boy, Chidom, the sciatica expert. Time Herbal Misha. You may know, say. Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic, or see the end to chronic diseases. Sasana RSYD no VG Studios. You better masi. Mamenko na mene Tema West, chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Yenya Kwesi Poku ending komo. Kwesi Poku na mpachola what to say? That's a radio now. What test word? Maybe I know what you know. Na minua. Mechiri bana na tesa radio no so. There be appointment no. Na o me no sha me there be nyabotre. Anya radio so ne e be kasa asem we. Woni me asise appointment. Eda na du my friend. Eda na du my friend. One fa. Na one fa sa na me nya ne den. Me so me nim be bia ate. So fufu go ara di e. Hey. Yes. 57 years.
And I consider 27 years, I'm 28 years,
and you know, you bet me I can say 27 or 28 against number 3 against 57. Where the Omo mutual luto do beti me. Shema kwesi boku ya na say e ma kwa baba for God and country ejubedi so but there na yeah ho ye pa na do ne yetis eye NPP amanyoku no mu o matete sam eye committees are wo mate no yes 4 aspirants ni nyina no eye part of the committee wo mo begina eye amanyoku no and I know say as part of the 4 committees you know Honorable Kennedy Japan can 4 committees and I know say now when I regional campaign coordinator for the Greater Accra region and you are very very close to him. There's an information we would want to tap from you. San Commando Beto Jano Honorable Kennedy Japan Majidi Pisa Wate on wedding Komo Dana Kennedy Eka.
For the past 2 weeks, Papa has been in China. There's a company, the different company, they are on the spring desk on the motorway for Tema specifically. It's not with China. Papa will do on Tuesday, meaning this year on Wednesday. Wednesday, will be prompting Papa said. So who on social media said appointment and their money. Whoever a civil idea that is bring all the people on board, give everybody a role to play, and applaud the person. And sometimes you can do a good thing, and when you don't do it at the right time, and you don't do it well, like of before. I want to put on record say, Nipa Otude Adenipa Apontia, not only Papa and Kassan didn't help the party. So Papa was survived. Adiamuki, you got to call Papa, you must say, job creation, maybe I don't make it. Now the party not just to say, oh no, what let's make it jobs. But the only problem, and then Sunday won't be there. Obviously, we got a platform that not Papa and come up. But for me, as a party person, I think it was a on the right eye.
You know, Honorable Kennedy Japan, Obiani na ama medin komo amfa say one more appointing as a co-chair of the policy committee for the 2028 elections. Nkomo die bia ankoso.
That's what put me on record. That me stay. That one year na me. Yeah, but if you about the case and musical say congratulations. And of the day then anybody so he saw it for the first time on social media, which I feel that the motive of Adiano Angasa is good. By the way, it was communicated, that's why people are SOMPA FM.
But in common way, Jano, some briefings I've also had on the sideline indicated say, the flag bearer of the new Patriotic Party for the 2028 elections. Wabra na obon twa asrasra the 1 year on musia kan no dia san komodie no ekoso. And now you are telling us that that was not the case with Honorable Kennedy Japan, because we cannot speak for the other aspirants.
Oh, say, there's too much tension in the system.
Tension.
And if we cut out any phenomenon no problem that will be it's a ten and you and Yamso. Ego was brief, some of the Emma, for some time now, or all for me, I thought that reconciliation is good. Reconciliation must come with mutual respect. And it's and quality of the Indian form. Because committee, no, but I didn't need a committee. Only is obviously no matter committee, so and the Akumata and your one. This is my opinion anyway. And yes, there was a general statement as the man said, manifesto promise from our aspirant. It was a good initiative. Anyway, it's not going to say to an amount of I didn't share what's going to say. The new schedule, the new scenario, but me can do that. I know. I'm going to tell you that. Party near must supersede the amount. I'm on the bush, there's just a party that I had tossed with you, and that in our accomplishment. You know, Kennedy, let's put on record, and you be of my NPP among you. And you and Yama, I want to execute for. And in community, you won't come again. And I'm told that was brought to council. And because now, Papa no our China, the area of Macan, and the really need to council a communicating man, Nanka. Yeah, Papa, you're going. You see, A, B, and C, of course, and I'll say this. The rest of it, every side is said, if you follow know with my years, if you really put on and I don't believe in Goga's own yada. I don't go to nothing. Media house, need friends, does it. If you are more post, not as a post there. Oh, yeah, and out of me, Stephen Babananda, already like a hot two, say, or no say, or no, Papa say, okay, it was not true. The letter of one silent of the one in Kazan. The one of this smelling each other, this one as a far. So why would somebody go and write and there's also on the moment proper impeachment are not. It gives room for those who want to say your phone and the that was not coming from his outfit.
And you know, you better not kind of say adwenkyerɛ a party no ɛde aba no adwenkyerɛ no deɛ what can I say adwenkyerɛ a papa na mmom Kennedy was not consulted before throwing this into the media space. And again, would you agree to the fact that diakoso no party no amfa ni die ni obuo and I said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, who is the leader of the party now, amfa obuo ni enidie amfa Honorable Kennedy Japan now?
For me, we may have a president Bawumia and mention. It was discussed net communications. Communications covered.
Okay, that's fine.
The net has to be implemented. You have the implemented agents or implemented officers there who have to do the duty. Let me put on this your record. When can say we have to care, and I'm going to say, as let me say, as a mystic care, as a party banner, but when I see until reality. And also, we need Yaman, or we should be doing it. If you are saying, and son of my yard, they give matter. Minimum neck, a communication in him, or any principle about sometimes. Oh, never one again, but who can be no people now to the city. Well, honorable brain, example, my sister is one of opening, I'm not a consultant. Now, if you look for somebody to ask, I'm a Kennedy, they are consultant. I think there's a correct amount to say they're consultant. You give room for somebody to say, I'm a Kennedy. Who is calling you my boy for me? I call him compare saying you can say, Kennedy, will not make a and a and you moving forward in the day one. I just say, one more, I should be a 2 and 9 into a name, number for the Jama. Wait a second, say, oh, yeah, I'm not like us. But now, within the sea, now, no, in Palankin, did it try radio soon. I came more for the same people down. And your name, because the same one now for Bolivia and go to you. Or can say so on Tuesday? It's and you was an oversight. What I said. It's immediate. Follow over, I don't know. For me, I think it's one of who conceived that might be applauded. But who didn't communicate well with name and shame?
Say, no, you want the party to name and shame that person. Ebia, yede jumadi and share and say, only honorable Ken and Kasa, one number Kasa. Is that the person you are calling for?
Because you want to reconcile the rank and party, the rank and power together. It's excellent to see who does it train I said that who owns the team on my trade, but team on my trade, will be at. And the area will be saying, and yet, at least, it's excellent to see for a job to say, Yangan and Bofaya Juma. Yeah, I'm not going to show you Zuke and you pay the committee, any chambers, and the party there. And you will run and you have to you will know here. You're quiet, you will run. Because the job pay quite description again. Again, a committee depends. This is the policy for him to prepare before he comes to the committee and deliver his best. For me, I believe that the MPC is on the right track and that's why we will get there.
And you know, when you see, was Ken hurt?
No.
He wasn't hurt.
No, he loved the right. It's not one of these. We there for social media. We there for two in Yamania. Until everybody else and final. Maybe fair. You have to get to know content. And part decision has been taken.
No. Only maybe reason why I asked that question is that Dr. Brenda Champon openly has come out to say he was consulted, and again. Who else again? Kwabra Japan has also come out to say, really, they were consulted. And I believe it will be so for the other two, other one, Dr. Yahweh Duchum, also listening to him, he was also consulted. So, Kena, or no, young consultant, no, you don't think that he would be hurt?
The man in Japan, the man in Japan, you don't know him too well. Hanging the dog and just using a bad name. I'm telling you, he loves the right. He just loves the right. He just loves the right. He goes to back to you as a community. He just loves the right. You want some growing. Appointment where is an endorsement of the man is an endorsement that is the Jumia and I it's an endorsement. It's immediate. The American say moving forward. Kennedy actually say, oh, you put yourself in shoes. Even now you're going to see because and now because the media when you have more money. Oh, you need to keep judging and I don't mind. I don't want to speak for you.
Okay.
But what I want to say is that moving forward. He's also one of the senior 49 party 24. So I'm person here, family of Romania. Why in the boss how money not get one kind? Or say that man. Again, you mistake now. Ramada be here in your swami. When you don't come to my friend, a Japan, Japan, that's a complete Japan again. I don't know. They will move for it. Let's not drag and just want to rubbish everything. So I'm one of my incidents. About it, on your those kind of talks, it's not good. It's not good. MPP, you don't move. I let you hear the 24. It's the best. Say, yeah, go ahead. And I'm over there. The more come and talk.
Okay.
And I'm over there. They will do a show. On your careful. Now, we're going to be Kennedy. I want show you, say, and yeah, you know,
all right.
You wish I would use Kennedy. We'll talk about you, not talk about. I want to show you, not talk about this one.
Okay. I mean, now I say, Sir Omar Hokwama, you wouldn't come over there. You were calling for reconciliation. Was saying, a bimu, or party, no, Korebimu, now, Moody, dear term, Casam Guno, so 7 previous, they be more car, can say, be an Adrian money, and those things, you know. So now, Momo Camp, no, you are asking for a reconciliation.
You see, it is not about Campo. This is the campaign. I am a party chairman.
Okay.
And now for the party structure, to say, when you get the party, a young chairman for me, one for council, any other party,
yeah.
And the year campus, I need to, the one that we put me as a regional rep. The transit, I overstep my boundaries. So the young guys have cannot incline. The party, the child, I want to go up with you come on the way, yes. After the year, and the year campus, I before. In the name of politics, and the capitalizing it, we should be able to genuinely say, let me impure this on the no. Who pure you are of a you need to be a one to anybody far from my past. And got the way you need to look, where you need to have the boundaries, where you need to say my years. Then contact, but I got that you will be. And go for each other. If somebody genuinely is remorseful, you can know. You know after knowing you the cast out like a cabbage of the party, you're remorseful. You don't just close your eyes in the name of politics community. Then what did you attempt for the community? They don't know what's happening to you. Now you're going to meet now he's now so for me, pure compassion. Let's do a soul set in our move. Kennedy can't say, or really say, and maybe by the disease of Mama, then why I need to any way with you. And only some of my say, many of them pure in the position.
But what if the flag bearer for the new patriotic party, Ababontinge Pacho, on behalf of those people?
It's excellency, but we are not me
too.
What is now?
Yeah, me. But he's the leader now. So if we
agree,
yeah,
I agree. You see, on the culture, leader man of the culture of Dupina. Now you're really the night that you. On any person that them is here. On the other hand, we never found the paper. Who about the paper? Anyone who want paper, and never did it.
All right, Chairman Kwesi, my fine common see. I want to thank you so much for joining the conversation this afternoon. But once again, belated happy birthday to you. Why? But you ever say share?
Where happy birthday in advance? I'm there Sunday and belated happy.
Oh, there be a Sunday Momo.
Sunday next year, our 28 years.
Ah. Oh, and now Chairman Kwesi Bogu na asem a wo kan me metimi aka me de akere wo radio so na wo ha on say
me ma ka ma 28 years
yeah Chairman Kwesi Bogu madam ase na wi pass o bye me de odinka Chairman Kwesi Bogu na to 7 do a dig kobo on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. You can also join us on Facebook. Leave your comment over there, and then we'll be reading the comment. You can comment, you know, at the amount. And then come on, ye dino aha. And anyway, Bene Amasama Bruni, and Yenuya Bema Muhammad Abdul Razak, or NDC Nimapa, the Bono region, also Eufia. Amasama. I'm a you.
Prof, Major Super.
Okay. Mamma Abdul Razak, Abdul Razak, let's say.
Yeah.
We don't fear the mo.
So
be Techman and I'm say.
Oh, okay.
Classic FM.
Great.
Oh, yeah. If one side. Like, pray. Regional Secretary of NDC.
I'm say Mreni Dua. Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, consultation. I think
consultation.
Yes. This time was the party.
What's Mreni Dua? Then you are coming to talk about consultation at this time.
So Uma me kwai ma michire ma obetiase. Yes. Was a consultation. Definitely the current position, you know. Ikra Yewura Dennis
Chumasi.
And then on the current nyame Mamenchiano na nyame Shirano bebre kwa ewo kwan a ofa so a na Bono region wo hwe 2016 na nanka MPP ewo 11 seats na NDC were 1 seat under his stewardship, his leadership. As I speak to you, and the MPP could have 1 seat, you could have 11 seats. It means our boy Juma. And we think about John Dramani Mama, His Excellency Abona Baswa, one deputy MD, finance and operations at
Metro Mass.
Sure. And to our boy Juma. To your party, at the directives, we have say Okra party position. Now, say Okra position in government. Within 6 months, so unim say Obesa contest any position in the party.
Oh, all right.
Or say 6 months time.
We resign.
Sure. Now query. See, I know here. Sa 6 months deadline we do. The end one as to say Okra position no no. Say Obe resign. So on with due respect, and I will say it unequivocally. Say Dennis Beba.
And you
contest.
Okay.
If only he will come, I'll never contest.
You will never contest.
Yes, because Mania Swajuma Wayama Bono region, and I respect his leadership, and I believe. Say Ottawa. Abebwa. And knowledge now or one any experience no one. Monsieur Bebraide
every name.
And
so that was the caveat.
Yeah, that's the caveat.
Okay, all right. So thank you so much for coming. What's your chairman Kwesi on these new patriotic parties? A co-chair of the your friend is policy committees for election 2028. As of now, no Ken is saying any idea. Sansusuya or fire crown party in the Bonamani.
Professor for Maminchia, Honorable Titus Glover.
Honorable Titus?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Former MP Tema East, former regional minister. So.
Yeah.
Prof. Oko national organizer.
Miyama Kunta no.
So I Kunta the boy any campaign. You're starting a
campaign. Maybe all winchi.
We want.
We
are campaigning for him.
Titus Glover.
We are campaigning for him to be our next national organizer.
Yeah. But also
Titus. I'm
Uncle I know him.
Yeah.
Because he's a man of many languages.
True.
And that can help the new patriotic party. And I know Titus.
What's Titus bet me drug and pamo?
Yeah, minimum.
Without even holding a pen or pencil. Or Beyamos
every
corner of the country.
I know. I really know.
And this is a good quality of an organizer.
But more MPP
because the last elections when who titles the modern ball. And this time around we are coming with full force and we are clearing all the way.
This time around you are coming with full force and clearing all the way.
Yeah.
And you know,
it is
last time they did one for full force.
Oh, sir.
One clear the way, though.
See, election be any lawyer Justin Frimpong could you so with Prof. Unimbeya doing the kind of modern boy Justin Frimpong could you and a JFK or born in home and to the extent maybe a party I could draw as a say a corner polling station structure and I can tell you it's about 90% of near course across the country though there are 1 or 2 places where issues I believe so we address issues across the country ever since JFK General Secretary every electoral will be it tells you how he manages the process for the election to take place.
All right.
And then Nana Bisu incoming first vice chairman of your party. Now, Prof. Semiba chairman Kwesi Poku. Semiba chairman Kwesi Poku issue.
I'm a summer with
me time.
Debbie, time. They say me I'm a time.
My try debut. I make issue now. Supposed to be about Chama.
Go with him.
Chama Kwesi constituency chairman, and I want to believe say ono abeja tum say constitution no eka how we should speak out there and portray the good image of the party out there. First and foremost, Asema Obisan in Ukra, I feel say he doesn't have the locus to even speak to the issue.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I didn't try.
And your original rep for Honorable Ken, on your national spokesperson, the best person to speak to issues like this, you know, your Honorable Kennedy Japanese spokesperson.
You can't determine for us.
No, I'm telling you, say issue be one you ultimately speak it to. Every organization one is structure. Inti SOMPA Assembly Bar, you know who your PR is.
And we know where to get the information. Good. Hey, they are PR now. So we will not get the information.
I didn't tell me can't win now. You understand, sir? And no, not speaking for Honorable Ken officially. He's not the one appointed. Ekwesi Kwatina, Honorable Ken appointed. Now you see, for him to come and say
that was for his campaign,
but he's still using that position as an regional rep.
No, I don't know.
No, but he said it's a Honorable Ken.
They say the former regional rep.
He's a constituency chairman of the party.
Or your special aide to Ken.
No. You called him to speak on behalf. Say he should have.
So what's your you don't have you see.
29 maybe do know you understand why? Because me baby amedeko. Because whether Honorable Ken is consulted or not, you know, the best person to know and who is authorized to speak for him. Because before we will be spokesperson, before we speak on his behalf, there's only information. Who friend cross checking Yama before you come on air. Is that not it? Do you want to tell me that he cross-checked with Honorable Ken before coming on air?
Let me ask you this question. Miracles. Does he still...
He's not a constituency chairman.
Wait.
For him to come on air and say, Honorable Ken was never consulted. He's saying that's a statement of fact. But how can I say, Dr. Baumia echo Honorable Kennedy Japan fee. Oko no Obama for Amanye. Oko ya kura answer Honorable Sami Oku back on air. Na sa meeting nukra ewie. So I'm trying to say as at that time no say who friend obi say Chairman Kwesi Poku ebisana. Obi to catch say there was no meeting like that.
No, we called him here and he indeed accepted the fact that there was a meeting like that.
That was post issue by
anything that happened with Ken.
All the media houses got to know said there was a meeting between Dr. Baumia and Honorable Kennedy Japan. After Honorable Samuel Okubeka on air.
No, it's not
I'm
true.
Telling you.
It's not true.
I'm telling you.
It's not true.
Prior to the meeting, no one said that meeting go on. No, but Prof, did you know there was a meeting ongoing?
Some of us over here.
Did you know there was a meeting ongoing?
But people very close to Kennedy Japan were aware of that meeting. So you
called Chairman Kwesi Poku after the meeting was said. Is that not it?
We called him and had a conversation with him.
That was after.
And this is a second conversation.
And that was after.
Sure.
No, before the meeting. Is that not it? So me Kwesi say obi a onim say meeting bisa because former Vice President Dr. Baumia share meeting one announce it. Into obi onye privy to that information no. So bisa na obeka just say enye nokre. But am person na bia bibisa eye de e koso bi na me pa kire no. And Chairman Kwesi Poku kaba reconciliation. Yeah, party bia no open reconciliation. Na reconciliation the best person all set the tone no Dr. Baumia himself. Looking at near all year going to visit all the aspirancy were visit home. Discussions I be cohort now and then you know be PR bounty. But I'm happy so on Ankasanka say until baby say Dr. Baumia did you be at them. And Dr. Baumia never did anything of that sort. So if followers be Eko Kika Nyama and was on Kika in the heat position was anchor back to the though on fancy or but or active as a rep for Honorable Ken. Say a real contest. There are no camps. The only person we need to project, defend, and speak of him, and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. The unim hu shino menka. So unim bibi cry for the interest of the party out there. You should know how to put it. And Obeka say I'm consulting, and onya den free mo.
But say yeah.
No, onya den free.
But you consulted the others. You consulted the others. We are consulting him.
We are healing, and you are still trying to create cracks.
No, but you people, you are creating division in the party.
Who is creating? Who is
Anyam benifo no.
Why mo?
Anyam benifo.
Dr. Bamia
the National
FOG unit division no.
The National Executive Committee.
Who amongst them?
The National Executive Committee.
Who amongst them?
Why didn't they inform Ken?
Who amongst the National Executive is causing?
I'm talking about the
mention them.
I will not mention them.
You can't mention.
It's a committee.
It's not true. If it is true, I challenge you to mention it. It is not true. I'm telling you, sir, there's no national executive you can accuse by mentioning
the committee. You want to say when Chairman Kwesipoku was speaking right here on air. When he was speaking right here. No, I'm asking you. When Kwesipoku was speaking right here on air, Kwesipoku can say, "Enya dia, eye before some appointment ibeba no. Ye consult to eye Kennedy Japan." And he again followed up with a question to Justin Kudia, the party's national general secretary. And Onosuka said, "Onim, Onosuba get back to him." And up to now, no response has come to Kwesipoku. And Kwesipoku also feels, no, Sir Kobane say, what inform me bimum. You've consulted some other people one more point to you, not on young consultant. Now, who can
you are simply who try to get away with it. I asked you, who is the official spokesperson of Honorable Ken?
No, you can't ask me any question. I can't respond to I cannot respond to your questions. I cannot respond to your question.
Has not been consulted. But not Chairman Kwesipoku. Kwesi Kwatin be catch wa who friend is say na so Honorable Ken has not been
producer
then that thing has not been done. But Chairman Kwesipoku not. And again I'll tell you, sir, it is not true that our national executives are causing division. There's none of them. Yeko elections yi omu supervise election. Yeka say yanko to
election. So what if it comes out true, say because you are doubting Chairman Kwesipoku? What if it comes out true, say Honorable Kennedy Japan was not consulted, but meanwhile the others were consulted? What would your position be?
Is that not why we normally say official sources and not official spokesperson? Is that not it?
I'm asking you. What if it? What if it turns out? So I'm asking, what if it turns out? What would you say?
What would I say? I told you, if Kwesi Kwatin comes here and say Honorable Ken has not been consulted, I will agree. Is that not what I said?
And what would be your position on that?
I said I will agree. And what would I be agreeing to?
And what would be on your position on that?
It's not happening, so you can't know my position.
Would that not be an unfair treatment?
No.
Would that not result into an unfair treatment?
Okay, Prof. It will result in an unfair treatment if the answer is in affirmative.
Sure.
But if it is contrary to, then wouldn't it also be an affront to Chairman Kwesipoku? But you look at it from both possibilities.
Exactly.
So why are you looking at it from only my possibilities?
All right, so thank you so much. Maminda was saying, SOMPA 106.5 FM. What's that? Wait, I'll come to you. So you wait. I'll come to you. I'll come to you. Send that one to my producer so that we can amplify it right here. But my main chaos, 21st clinic in a boy Chidom Kese Pa, the sciatica originator, the sciatica pacemaker, sciatica commander, 21st clinic. He had a way. Send 21st clinic and come in him say nerve be or your friend is the sciatic nerve. Sa sciatic nerve no enam yesisi echi sa na nam yetumpomu sa na enam ye na ase sa na nkamenim say there's something we call the sciatic nerve. Me pacho there's something we call the sciatic nerve. The sciatic nerve no ehu kan ene edi sciatica yade no deba. The sciatic nerve ehu kan ene edi the sciatica yade ne ba. And in Pacho, something can name na unain bako as a muya usre muya won't mean tiaswa who say a year sciatica yadie na clinic I bet me so asene abu a dear draka amanako a 21st clinic. I was sure much or tantra here run about Tama Oberhoma Roman Catholic Sonda Nechiwa Kaswa Wamu New Market Obrum Kwano so Kumase and overseas baby I so buy from a wana Sunyani Wamuni Regional Hospital first gate in the edition more Techiman baby ana GN Bank a ho and obohuomo baby I Bomodina Frere 21st clinic was 0540 311 311 0540 311. All right, ebusian for yenya Kwesi Kwatin ewa humano so spokesperson for Honorable Kennedy Japan. Many Kwesi Kwatin ewe yema kwa baba for God and country so na mpacho wapo buti saying.
Major also me ho ye na ho say.
Nyame adom kwesi kwate ye ho ye pa na honorable Ken say no ho ye de.
Me ho ye pa. Well.
Okay, yeah, the nyame there's an issue here. Yeah, di ho enkomo. Na it looks as if say wabra na party no appointee the co-chair of the policy committee for the election 2028, you know. Eye 1 year woman Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia pray, you know, aspirant, so the presidential aspirant, you know. What do nyina aka ho na ebi mo ababonten ababeka say idea before science share we bebe mu no ye ni woni di hu nkomo na me bisa say sa asem we eba ye no anya bia no party penyin for the neck no omo di kan bo eye ken amane ansa na sa happen easy mini eye chairman Kwesi Poku edi nkomo and he tells us say sa appointment where womo de ema the presidential aspirants, you know. Enya dia ken die womo a consultant no, but we have seen videos of Kwabena Japan coming out to say that he was consulted. We have also heard Dr. Brian Champon also kase his attention and to the Nyabutre. I say it came to Ken's attention through the media. So it means that he was not consulted. That is what Kwesi Kwarteng says, spokesperson for Honorable Kennedy Japan. And then he also makes a comment over here. There were room then conversation and then the public conversation. So we'd want to, quiz him on that and to find out reason why he's making those statements. But Amasama Bruni, there he is. There it is. He says that he was not consulted. Ken was not consulted.
No, but the conversation has not gone far. But just as I said, he's the official spokesperson. I wouldn't have,
But now he says, I don't know, Prof,
you see, maybe a party in economy, party in unity. A focal point, mommy chain.
All right, so sorry, Kwesi Kwarteng. So now who can be afa a Ken appointment, as to whether he was consulted or was not consulted before the appointment was made.
Well, I'm saying appointment now it came to Ken's attention through the media. The first time it came to his attention was through the media.
Wow.
But I'm saying that nobody will have the more money they can go. And also as well a matter that I think we should later on.
Okay, would you quickly my end now say how I dream the but you made a statement, and a statement you were talking about some room conversation and stuff like that. What exactly were you meaning?
Hold on.
Oh, I'm saying he's busy somewhere. Oh baby, we didn't come on that.
No, but me make a comment. We said, "Oh no, I see what them come on, and I want to soon come on." One, let me establish it. Me say, "Oh no, kasa mejatum." Me challenging the position.
But it's made the point.
So that's what I'm saying. But this is sort of kind, some of these things you should find a way of handling it in the media because oh yes, sir, this becomes topical now, diverting certain attention away from some of these things, because whether Honorable Ken was consulted or not, it is something we can discuss in the background, not putting it out there. So Onagasan, when he came on air, I expected, say, diplomatically or perhaps he could say, "Hey, then come on, we'll handle it, whatever it is."
All right,
you should play a neutral comment than say you or yes, say Obama, your friends, a topic for discussion, because we ever generating headlines this year. I can tell you, you're free studios here. We're starting. Headlines are all right. One person the better headline. Wait, who do you call TikTok to minimum?
Media, I've been to you. Media, Abdul Mohammed, I've been to you. Patch also microphone, my boy. All right, that's right.
Mami fa kwanya we na menchia minua. Na menchia SOMPA atifo nyinara.
Yeah.
Say oh yeah, defending the MPP. I had to say there. Say we do osono. It's so difficult. It becomes highly impossible can be before na nyo masem nka NDC de nka yemfa ho but obey then I think say a democracy in your building and they are part of the democracy and yes is a jato oyonko abodi semwa no sense we see with you see the bear in you because yes so you are gearing towards ours but ohwe near aircos when people know it is very bad. It is very, very bad and it's unfortunate. And I will just say, me okay, I be born will be because if say obi boo be no catch it say nipa na mo yi na mo de adwuma na hye ne nsa no e media num e na ote ya it means ya mbora mane wa yi ansam na no oye panyi enti panyi kasa mu no wakasa no. The question was just straightforward. Me pacho Kennedy Japan, was he consulted? Was say Kennedy Japan got attention and I say he was informed through the media. Me ya sure say ke bona mania ngenye media na born say hey am appointment because and now was our trailer to be and also no ewo media no if I have time. I'll read the letter now. The response now, I'll read it by.
Question what letter?
Oh,
but you go ahead.
In response to
you just go ahead. I'll fetch that letter. Right. Until they coso. What they coso? You do your submission. No, focus on the. You I'll fetch that letter.
And he said, if all this is happening, maybe I don't blame anybody. A leadership. So who will lead a bit say His Excellency, the former Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. It tells you the kind of leadership Obe Potri. If the MPP as a party, now Bawumia to me manage party now, how can he manage a country like Ghana? 30 million people. So until he manage a political party like the MPP, Obey then what man manage a whole country. Dr. Bamudu Baumia, entry manage Kennedy Japan as an individual who knew how to make peace with Kennedy Japan and his team.
He will land. No, you don't. No, he will land. He will land. Let me take a listen to you. Why?
Per MPP constitution, you say fish be pra, but you improve free so. And then who is the leader of the party?
But you allow him. Your microphone is off. You say your microphone is no. Please go on. Please go ahead.
The more he talks, he add more salt to his injury. And now make us say MPP or chairman why? Your chairman will run away. You don't have a chairman. Obina Muso Akse, and then you don't have a chairman. So who is the leader of the party? Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, with all due respect with his personality, but as a leader, he's incompetent. He's substandard. He's not fit to lead a country like Ghana.
No, but that is not the subject for our conversation.
We are discussing a political party. Our chairman. Please.
Go ahead.
We have a chairman. Our chairman is Johnson Asiedu Nketia.
Yeah, and then what? And then what next?
Our candidate Baba Jama, he was dismissed by the constitution of the party. And in that say because he is the leader of the party, and in that leader was shown in leadership. And
but you cannot also say the New Patriotic Party as it stands now, no, womu any a chairman.
Okay.
I know, sir, in the absence of the chairman, the first national vice chairman of the party takes over the mantle. Chairman Smith Booty. Chairman Smith Booty. One on the acting national chairman of the New Patriotic Party.
All their chairmen, no more.
I said Chairman Buga.
Stevie, listen, someone making
no, but you can't say that. You can't say that is their party, and you have to respect the hierarchy. No, but
Prof, maybe till.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of threats. I'm not afraid of words. I would debate you. Wherever you want it.
Abdul. Me pacho. Please. Amasama Bruni. I want you to comport yourself because this is a behavior I have not seen before on this particular platform. So no, but please. You see, in politics, you have to have a big stomach. Yes. You have to be accommodating. Okay? You have to be tolerant enough. I know you to be very tolerant. No, Tairalaya. Mamba Buaralay, Tairale. No, you can't Tairale. No, you can't. I can't be tolerant again. We tolerated and they lied and got power. Okay, so me bacho, let's see from on this particular.
Prof, interjection. Go time. Prof,
continue as long as it's Baumia you want to center.
As far as Prof,
me bacho. Just go ahead,
Prof.
Yes.
As far as we are on this desk, me bacho. Why committee ni ati? With all due respect, why committee ni ati?
Me bacho ko.
The committee I had to know for the Baumia's campaign.
Sure.
And to Baumia count. What is my brother saying? You can't choose topics for us. You can't decide what I say and what I shouldn't say. It is Dr. Bamudu Baumia's campaign policy committee. And if there is no peace, it starts from the head. And the head is Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, who couldn't manage our economy, who couldn't even speak about our economy, can never manage a political party like the MPP. So these tensions are expected. So we will not, 30 million Ghanaians, we will not give our destiny or leave our destiny in the hands of Dr. Mahmoud Bamia.
But that is incompetent. Because that is not for you to say.
I'm a Ghanaian.
It is for.
I'm a Ghanaian.
You are a Ghanaian, okay. But it's for the majority of Ghanaians to decide.
Okay.
Not you.
But I have a vote.
Yeah.
And it's 50+1, so I can make decisions. So what I'm saying, let me speak on my right. You have your right. It is I attending into English program. As some American say, committee na yateno. Dr. Mahmoud.
It is geared towards what?
Is it geared towards Bamia?
Geared towards what?
It is geared towards winning power, but it is not Bamia's committee. The heading of the committee is not Bamia's committee. There's nothing like. Is there any committee called Bamia's committee out there? Prof, is there any committee called Bamia's committee out there?
All right, you just.
So if a ministry institutes a policy and they name it, can we say it's John Mahama's policy? Because John Mahama appointed them.
But
when
government
there is no committee called Bamia committee. True or false? Is there no committee?
There is no committee called
so
like
you
that.
correct him. You don't
no. So listen,
Amasama Bruni is on the letterhead of the party.
Amasama Bruni,
not Bamia's letterhead.
Amasama Bruni.
So you can come sit and say whatever you want to say. This is MPP's letterhead. MPP constitute head in here.
Amasama Bruni.
Is it Bamia constitute?
Until who is now the leader of the new patriotic party?
Is it Bamia?
So say one
our amended constitution. Our amended constitution. The national chairman will always be the leader of the party, whether we are.
And you're the flag. And you're the flag bearer.
Per the amended. And I'm amended. You call your friends and look on where I am.
And you're Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, the leader of the new party.
Previously,
let's read the constitution of the nation. And then as we speak, on one party constitution, you can make your producer Google it. Let your producer Google it. That who becomes the leader of the party when they only flag bearer and a chairman here. But if you have a flag bearer, the flag bearer is the leader of the party in opposition. Read it. Me patoma will produce and let's show me. We are no more 41.7%. This arrogance. When we are in the party, no politics. When we are 41.7, they couldn't even get. They didn't get it.
You use lies and arrogance.
See ya. Oh, can you at least write something down? I was here. I was writing.
He ended up on Bamia.
I was writing.
As long as he has tweeted it to Bamia.
Really?
The topic is not about.
I have done. No, Bachon. The current leader, flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the former vice president of the Republic of Ghana. Okay, so that is what I have over there. Now I am going to do a follow-up and do a search in the Constitution and let you know. And you have 3 minutes.
And no, me na kasan kind Constitution. To onko kind Constitution ibiem. And then onu no be choose how me hear me communication and as say me come in some platform is one. And then I say committee ni di no choose committee di ama yeti kroma. Ana yeti o man we mu a. Ana free SHS John Mama Kazo review mu say cancellation. Now you see energy fund levy, Muslim doom so levy. Can you choose how we make politics here? What the audience here, a show. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, leader of the political party, and he can manage Ken. He can manage his political party. He can put his order. And Yamenamika Rosemond, her special aid. I know the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or switch 2024 elected by NDC. Or see Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is not a leader. He's indecisive. And Yamenamika. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the lies and his incompetence, the track record, what is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's track record as a leader? Born Abaso almost say, what a solid team, Our case what you.
But according to WAMU Constitution, after the amendments were done, the national chairman is the leader of the NPP. While it is in opposition, though in practice, the flag bearer, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, commands the most political authority as the party prepares for the 2020.
So who is the leader? Who commands? Who commands it? Read it well. Brofo, mu do. But unya abotra, mu ye hama otiase.
Brofo, emu ye den.
Emu do.
But unya abotra.
Unya abotra kan mu ye ha. So he commands the political party, that political committee in Ayatem, and you are not to his advantage. So is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So if Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia couldn't manage Ken, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia couldn't manage the political party, how can Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia couldn't manage the CD? How can Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia run away from the economy? Since 2024, when Timika economy was haram for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to get close to the presidency.
Thank you so much.
Because he's indecisive, he's incompetent, and he cannot decide as a leader. So we don't need people like Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
I mean, now I say SOMPA 106.5 FM Forgotten Country. And the chair may activate me lines on numbers to call 0260-196064, 0260-196065. Abdul Razak. Muhammad and our turning Kanam Oyobia was past occupy the position of the Buno Regional Secretary for the NDC. But I mean, can say Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic was it the end to chronic diseases. Dr. Dubuateng wo bojume ye papa yare kwankro wo defend the feature what in say Dr. Dubuateng me patcho say apomode hu nkomo na opetia wo friend number na wo benya botre no wa kire wo ekwan obetimi atena se a wo apomode na be wie peye Dr. Dubuateng ba enjuju ye a stroke yade odi hu dwuma ye pa nkankana nipa no enya stroke na wakafie ana wo yare bia yade no gise de biara da no mukukuru de ne koka mo de ne kofaka na mo de ne hospital mo Dr. Dubuateng se jai wo de also ye nyina na say wo bebo modern afre no e was 0244 867068 0244 867068 and now Obe friend was 027 423 4321 Oba wo pese wo na awoma bema hunkwabwa no ni dwuma papa yi mankwabwa no nya hoden nsononko edroma pae de bema safukre di ho adanse me pacho Patrick so yet to di ho adanse ne hunkwabwa no eso je wo madro na bema hunkwabwa no sorry said the beya uni obedi shemu a oba ne betumi afefuro be ma bi odwunso a na se I just want them back. And you never say ya deal with never say ya the prostate on the highway. Bombarding na for Dr. Edubuating our Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic and crying her Oshana. The check when was shell sunboard spinters equano so a pum friend 0244 867068. Again, reach him on 027 4234 Now, RSYD no VG Studios. Hey, Studio C, come up, pow. A horse, for ye. So, we do a RSYD. Hey, but so we is in the 2010. We will be able to try video now post on social media. Now we need quality pictures, we need quality videos. I'll be your views, baby. A DNA RSYD. No VG Studios. Me macho omo creative director wo na emfidie ni cameras omo use no state of the art papa ni bia high grade. Me macho se okọ so a professional background and to bring it na for we ni kire RSYD no VG Studios na any new one in dins awo so. Wo ma cha kwan e wo nkran ha malam abase e wo first kokro street no so. Wo betimi na from 057 4715778. Again, read them on 030-3974-822. That is where your vision would become reality. I'm talking about RSYD no VG Studios. Abium time herbal mixture. Hey, Edropanye, time herbal mixture. Time the dead, time bobo, time yo. Ha, we do matu awuntimin didi. Uhunam na ye wo ya. As a malaria fever be per se habo me patch of modern to America. Na kope a time herbal mixture. Me say draw we dear Dr. Tafrija wa bomoding no what to no boss in we see draw we and to num cra emo skin color na cra so a fe. It's see in the pedria. Ubenya appear tete appetite na wodi didi. Ubenya appetite bi na wodi didi. Ebebo pa ye. Enti bomoding pa na fa we di kire. A drugstore pharmacy shop be a ben obiado. Na kope a time herbal mixture. Ebebo ye pa. Time herbal mixture. A ye kama. Say ye join this fever. Say ye malaria fever. Say ye typhoid fever. A ye time herbal mixture. Now my misanka you say ebusuya time HH mixture and then the capsules. And also with German so and no dear a yabusian chamfa nkanka mo ama wade mo enemu nsaya de kwetia mo me patro mo dura the time HH mixture and then the capsules bema junso ye bema junso no pa na joa junso ye ahomachi junso ye no bomode na kope time HH mixture and then the capsules oba wa him fie ho no siesie ho ma bibia anya kama ma wate enti patro and no we no pe bia to a drugstore pharmacy shop bia ben obia no ya de a ubenya any Dr. Tafrija, the bichi wadringa, and any ninkomo 0244 417 669. Alazama Rooney. My until 3 minutes beyond this one, right?
Yeah, Prof. The American say, let it be on record. This time around, nobody will touch Dr. Bawumia and go scot-free. Oh, yes. But you see, say, who follow your fourth Republican friends say democracy are Prof. Say ube winning president, there are signs are actually say ube winning president. Ebini say Yabeka say president no ndibida. Oh yes, so
there are signs.
There are signs. Now you catch the president.
So now you believe in signs and wonders.
Signs of but Hayat, I'm a Muslim. Hayat means there are signs of God.
Okay.
I believe in it. What
that's one who signs. We said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Oh, so
and then we need 2028.
Me more the Fourth Republic near AC.
Okay, me too.
Say ube di president anyama yebe catch raw. Ebi ni say catch president Kufuor say sa presidents akonya ne there. So probably onko Kumasi and log and then ko ye bi man non fonko tufie non tenase. Ewie ye obetena akonya.
I remember that story.
Yes, Santana Oma we mu. NDC Fokache said as for Nanado dear, onye president da. He's too short. He's that. Ebusia for etie for Mumfan Chamio. Wakune yiri. Waye desu konima. All those things. They told him.
Okay.
He became president. So, I know the enya one was say Obi Beka Bibisa. Now, so uche nyamiwa waha. This is
Debi Nyabotre. Oh, nkɔmɔ ana wudie.
Meba.
You know, that
Prof, what's it mean?
Oh, Debbie. It won't say Debbie. When we are having a conversation, what kawasam? Who say you believe in science? And John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, President. So Musumu can maybe Tiana. They sent you who has a science.
So anything I make catch say in this Fourth Republic, so what follower? And sir, so say Yakebi Cratch represent your friends, President Mama. President Mama, ni brother Kramikai Ibrahim Mama. Or catch on P7 say President Mama Busiano Krasi more nya politics bio.
I remember.
Today, why not president?
Oh no.
It is say Yakebi Acheno and then no sign president. That is why he shouldn't even sit here and tell me say Bamia will never get anywhere close to the president. Now Gbagbi Speaker of Parliament today, Prof. Gbagbi Ekachre say Akufo-Addo can't be president. That is 2080. Or say Akufo-Addo can't be president. And then and this just omo bebre ekanye me pese me read wa ha ewiye wa be service straight 8 years oko. So Oka said Dr. Bamia will never get close to the presidency. He fortunately, I think he's a Muslim. If truly he's a Muslim and a practicing Muslim, Anka Onkasa, because Onko read Surah Al-Mulk. Surah Al-Mulk, ever catch no be unse nyankopon say he gives the throne to whom he wills. Ono nyame no di ma. Eto onye onu nipa da say na oba betena ha. Aka say Bamia will never get close to the presidency. So relax at God's appointed time.
1.5 minutes.
If you are a truly and a practicing Muslim, you get to know that Allah told the Holy Prophet in the Quran. There were things they are telling you today that were told the prophets before you. So do not be perturbed. So me as a Muslim, when I begin hearing this, I get more encouraged. Say the sign of victory is closer for Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and it is going to come appropriately and at the right time of God. So Ebeba and 2028. The only thing we pray for is for us to still have long life and good health. Say the yenina ye kaho apomodinu wo ho ye beti eginim. Not say ebia victory no beba na apomodinu ni ho na yeti demu na yeti. We all witness the victory of Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in this country. Prof, nyame pese within me 3 minutes no. Currently, Honorable Sam George on sorry waka na networks enye kra. So what follow making courses here
I know they are no crime.
So kasa opposition juju ananum say the job day ground on here telecos are under him. He should let them be up to the tax. Say no be kasa all of a sudden as if says see the be na scratchy o woman any pan until e bi kura na mo face ni kwesi kwati won amu friend akpa na e woman na line na drop ni sa near man no.
So you are making a passionate appeal to him.
It is not a Sam George a passionate appeal.
Now
Sam George minister a passionate. He should get to work. Me catch and say he should get to work. I pay him with my taxes. Don't speak for I pay him with my taxes. He has to get to work. He's not living up to the tax of that portfolio now. Jananum or Taki, former minister Esra Owusu. And then you do manage in some. Look at the poor quality networks are here in this.
I mean now I say Abdul Mohammed Abdul Maminti.
Say minui na asema wo kano. Yenya vice president Okrumha. Ono no. Wababe lead a political party. Edi omako akensi. No manya 41.7%. The highest defeat in the democracy of this country. This is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia only cross our record no. Answer na ye catch na Nadu say ondi akunya. Nadu ono one party in 2014. Omukotu waba no. Delegates no to onya 94.35%. But Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na no yokoto aba onya sen. Onya 61.4. So he's not even popular in his own political party. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye hunu as a leader. Na Nadu so okofa ne ba say Sidina ye hata. Sidina ye hata. So ombe manage the Ghana city. Enti ye hu di obetimi aye obefa no 4 Ghana city. Adi city ni ko almost 17 Ghana city at a time. Yet at Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye vice president no, we are in this country. Na economy no, and as people were in this country, no muntu to BP aduro. BP, common BP aduro. It was so difficult. As it or the saying diabetes aduro was so difficult. Ni ntimi did it 3 times a day. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia managed economy. Economy was ranked as a baller economy, junk economy, and now you can say the economy is B, rated in B.
and that yet me did it 3 times a day. Yati petrol so. Amande petrol no aba form amande obi atimi to bi gu ni kam.
That petrol so.
I was so by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Mami na was say
na o mami for manusi. Eti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia there. So ntimi manage on one political party, ntimi put in a house in order. Na se obia party na ate apensan ya. People are just waiting for him to fail.
Me that say.
And when he fails, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na be ye omo running mate. I'm telling you the NDC we have a path to go.
Also be running mate.
So no and be omo flag bearer. Omo dey be back against ya. Anybody from the NDC will be Dr. Mahmoud.
May I say, okay, hello, good evening.
Uncle.
Yeah, me pass one of them say you are man. Eliot, big basic. Eliot, my minty why. I don't papa bio. My choma minty.
I got you before. Oko bibi na chiu Dr. Bawumia. Almost economic messiah. That time, Bahama of power. You see the say, 4 cities, or the equal 17 cities. Adanana Kufado. Yaba. Bawumia Kufu to Ghana for who? Too much to say. Also, Ghana vote about your move. Over 87 or parliament. To end these MPs.
Yeah.
Over saying. What does it show me? Because governors, President Hammer, you must pack or you know. Thank you.
May I say hello, good evening. Me pacho untiming or damisa as I good in Mumenja. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Fine,
but where? Madam, one of them can say.
Horrible life from Cantamanto Market, Accra, Ghana.
Oh, you horrible me that say. Amen.
The Pacho Greater Accra, woman organizer or Bachia Robacra, Naomi Akosio Wusu, incoming woman organizer, Naomi Greater Accra, now.
You me that say. Go in. Wafa. Yes.
And this market. Yes, I think fresh go from and fresh go from 8 city. Oh, that means this is was there, and then fresh go from mother. And then my boy, I had you know, I'm going to come on. And I'm going to come, and then my boy, the papa. And there will be a picture of good. Yeah, Papa Mahama, or by our there, or Bama, and you have a kitchen like this. So I never did like that good.
May I say, hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, if I saw one of them, I say, what are Lafia low, yeah, get out to my
Lafia low.
To Munguri Alande. Baba, oh, Nagankai.
Okay, now go to call it.
Eh, Nagankai.
And then put them in the case. They never die. They no cool a lot. They remove the night of chat and quality. And I say, Mother, who talk about who grow with Chidaka? The matter of Jennifer Mother. And Bamian over American, Amazon Bonicano. Who's a Mama Coyano, and yet, who said that was a person man could you. But Ghana for the so can I so 100 of focus on one Zambra. Because nobody and I know the other can send what other shots and some by. The mammy all back with a big the field. Yeah, at the Shuaba. And yet, no other thing, who program of the cow, Yatanko Flowapa, I'm all big dear, so you are poor man. I'm a man, get your customer.
No, when they be Suman Cassanche. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, we watch one of them in the Casay.
If I talk right, because I feel
hey, right, I was so kind of hobo there.
Yamia do my so kind of
you, my interior, right.
And then Monday, we are Chunka. Now, my Mesakunya was a member, the MC, I will be my center. I'm a fracking cancer. Before you know, I have my center, Papa. Honorable Madi, the Brimian right now. Oh, in now your man will move. You MPP time, a mamma on the boo yet.
Niama a year through car, a dear Betiliano, they are two Namamu. Be Pierre of the country, yeah, there. Ya tunga mambo ewo maigana muno nani pano on kanu kure ojo ma na mambo ya fu sisi America me no kasai e mu 5 kg 45 cedis a ubenya mu ato why na kata ya tunga mamu MPP propaganda na mu ya no emfa ema mu
yo mami na say na me speak it
Ghana for here. Who present Ghana for better to about the amount of 2028 and who can
Mami Nasi. Hello, good evening.
So,
yeah, maybe I one of them can say, okay. More late Collins, Mami T.O.I. Amen.
I'm Chia me and this also. Wakasapa, now take out all of the chat. Now what take out for cotton day. Now done now for na udi program in na no kan share prof Ghana ni dio wa sasi we so sabi urundi no ma history abaya ko 2024 na nye sabi na da bia na Ghana ni dio wa sasi we so hana sitiem e share ni pegiem ababo bom o de ko fu abano. It may a punishment. He found the people. You couldn't form up who found your name, the former vice president of Ya. In my best of Potonia. And a man so back. Fine, you can send the Lampa. Oh, I could have a former president. You send your coming with it. Where you say, on the different back. It is that one. Check. Yes, Dr. Baunia. The year to the Yenya Pupil and the 2 years to Grammy. Then the 400 rejected. Henceforth, so Baba President, I'm very good to make it at that time. So Baba President, we have done His Excellency President Nana
Baumia. Hey, now who are you, huh? Hello, good evening.
Mahama
yeah, Mudia Uber Yanosisia. Maybe what one I'm in the Cassie.
We are free from every country.
Aye, every variety say. Catch a cafe, say what they make.
I would have it
catch us or Demeka. Mamma meant you. I'm a chef.
Of any Papa Najina Bobby. I said that the more from what you have on the chairmanship on maybe Kabumu. Said the name of the Coswa. That is about the president in one year. Whom you have watched Yakumla, may and Kabo and Yama Cosunano. Did you ever come from a prof? I'm in command from so. Indian might be born, and I'm in your machine. If the Mohammed, some more power position, and only Yania Bruno, or people are children, also Papa or Debbie and your top hand of war. Because we can't take time. And we'll catch a trap with the wing at the Clonoman and Chinamneshipa. I almost find the Pioneer. And no name, the Bible by any or two are over changes. And you may hear more mine pie more young. I have finding the Sukun comes for the kids to put them up. Oh, you tell them, say, and that's in the issue. Oh, have you a money people? But
a Breno A. I mean, you know, 1 year in terms of hello, good evening. Yeah, maybe I want a minute. Cassie.
Well, yeah, I'm sorry, but you go Bukuru this year.
I'm sorry, but I'm in Nasi, a great I mean, Tibonite. Why?
The bonnet was Michelle Rabotier, Namaka, Indian DC, no one said, Ghana yet a moon one, and no pay one. They are talking you. Who power now be sure by one? That MPP and Yanka. Your mamma wants to make a present deal. Sabi Kayaka said Ghana, your son and cry so much, or find someone, a heavy no me, but what you have a present. Now, the other phone said Ghana 4 man is that one, Yanka and Moiti. And Yanka for this for Doma Paso. Yanka, or because your mamma did easy for this schedule, and you know, not the Bebagan or Bebagan should be a
Maminasi.
Maminka, so my tribe baby only. Maminka, Master entity for the young and Yamen and these between us and 3 seconds one another. I agree with you about me to more difficult by no.
Don't mamma need, but you're so many and me, Namagana for, like you can't say, MPP answer, then you'll come my more.
Mammy, now I say, Mammy for radio chat. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah, but I'm in the castle. I got you. Oh, 30 seconds. Perfect. Sorry. Yeah, MP before the now with the bedroom. My team can be, but I know I said, who said, no, they got also okay. Because I got you, that's so by why you fancy. Prof, time they beat me. But Casa. Yeah. KBB Kakrani enko. Yeah. And then they won't even can say cafe out when you are doing because me could German so Mona Metono Yatiso and to men can say money to Jimmy. Maybe that's Yatiso. I do the own to make. I was for a Hannah Brema comedy to see a friend called ABOTCHIE. There be a brasso, yeah, the news eba. And the bread Tiamaka, Munfan Cheme, Abdul, Razak, Mohammed. We want to wish you well, but we know that Eden I ever say share. Mini Amasama Bruni. On behalf of the team, we want to say a big thank you. Tomorrow we are back here between 3 and then 5:30. Have a great evening. We out. Bye bye.